Alright, so I have a project where I need a custom width of tape here. I need a 3/4 inch wide tape, and I've got 1 inch, about 1 3/8 here. I already actually did this and got a 3/8 stripe here, which is nice, but I need to get 3/4 out of this, and I'm going to show you how to do it. If you have a lathe, this works, otherwise it doesn't. So we'll lock the tape in here pretty good. We have to move this carriage down to where we need it. Okay, with the carriage here, and now we mark the 3/4 of an inch where we want to put the slice in. Move the carriage down right around that area. Get our razor blade here, and this is how we're going to do it. We're going to put the blade into the tape while it's turning. It's a little dangerous, so I recommend being real careful here. I've got to reverse the spindle, not forward, and then we just cut into it like this, as deep as you want to go. And it's as simple as that. Now I've got a custom width of tape that I can use on the project.